Okay, so this time we're going to have evaluation of functions using the different types of functions discussed earlier. So we're going to start with our first example. We have f of x equals 2x squared plus 5, where x equals 2. Okay, in that case, our x is 2. So we just substitute x equals 2 in variable x of the given function. So f of 2 equals 2 times 2 squared plus 5. So, f of 2 equals 2 times what is 2 squared? That is 4 plus 5. So we have f of 2 equals 2 times 4, 8 plus 5. And f of 2 now equals 8 plus 5. That's going to be 13. Okay, that's our answer for example number 1. Number 2. We have f of x equals the absolute value of 2x minus 9, where x equals 2. Okay, so this time, just replace x by 2, and our example is an example of an absolute value function. So f of 2 equals the absolute value of 2 times 2 minus 9. So f of 2 equals the absolute value of what is 2 times 2? 4 minus 9. So f of 2 is the absolute value of 4 minus 9 is negative 5. And what is the absolute value of negative 5? It's positive 5. Okay, number 3. We have f of x equals greatest integer 2x, where x equals 2.5. Okay. Remember, we have to round down the given value of x. So that is 2.5. So that's going to be rounded down to 2. Okay, so f of x equals 2 times 2. So f of x equals 4. So that's going to be the answer. Okay, next example. Number 4. F of x is 2 raised to x plus 1, where x equals 3. So our next example is an exponential function. So f of 3 equals 2 raised to 3 plus 1. So f of 3 equals 2 raised to 4. And what is 2 raised to 4? 16. So f of 3 equals 16. Okay? Next example. We have f of x equals 2x squared minus 5, where x equals x plus 2. Okay, remember our x is x plus 2, so we have to replace it from the given function. So f of x plus 2 equals 2 times x plus 2 squared minus 5. So recall your square of a binomial. Now, f of x plus 2 equals 2 times, so the square of x plus 2, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 5. Okay? And then you have to distribute 2. Okay. Multiply. So f of x plus 2 equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 8 minus 5. And then combine similar terms. You have to combine those. So f of x plus 2 equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. So that's the value of the given function. Okay, so these are few applications on evaluation of functions using the different types of functions. Okay, so it takes patience in order to understand and apply all these concepts. But remember, there is no shortcut to success. Patience is a virtue. Thank you.